Hello everyone, welcome to LexTalk World Show presented by Clickaway Creators. Today we have Miss Usha Tanna with us. Miss Tanna has an experience of about 3 decades specializing in various civil and criminal laws such as matrimonial custody, property, domestic violences, and several others in the category. The name Usha Tanna has been mentioned several times in the newspaper, either being credited with the groundbreaking judgments or being reported upon high representing high profile clients. So without any ado, let me quickly introduce you to her. Hi, Ms. Tanna. Welcome to the show. How are you?
Thank you for inviting me here.
Well, it's
Yes.
our pleasure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Our pleasure. So, ma'am, I tried my best to cover the best that I can. But let me start this by asking you a very small question in which I would like you to tell us something about a legal issue that you have worked on, or if you can describe the complexity and tell us how you have approached it.
Yes. Uh, my name is Usha Tanna. As you introduced, I'm running the firm called Adv.Mrs.Usha Tanna Associates. I'm working with around 10 people who are helping me in doing my work. I have my own 2 offices. My work spread over the world. I'm doing mainly the international client plus national client in the only field of matrimonial. It is like family court matters that attach with that domestic violence cases, high court, supreme court, but it's a limited field.
Okay.
The complexity is that everyone is facing while doing the profession, but my topic where I am involving in all these problems is very sensitive. It is a dispute between husband and wife. It may be regarding the property, maybe regarding the child custody, maybe regarding the divorce or whatever. So I have to take it very patiently, try to make my client understand about the uh, uh, reciprocal of the fighting or non-fighting or settling the matter. And I always convince the people that you settle the matter amicably. It is in advantage of the people and not at the cost of my profession.
Amazing. Really nice to hear that, ma'am. And thank you so much for showing your great, your great, what I can say, your great work on regarding us in the legal industry. Now, just one more thing, ma'am, that since we all know about the pandemic. So what we have experienced is that the pandemic saw courts being moved towards more like proceeding and availability towards their clients. Now, is this sustainable? And like, if you can just tell me your views about a possible way to increase access to justice, in your opinion.
Yes, it was a need of our. The court were running very slow, especially in India. The courts are running very slow, but due to the pandemic and due to the technology, they started working virtually, and it will help in all the people who could not remain present in the court at the time, or without hampering their work, they could appear, and this is mostly continue till today. And Honorable Supreme Court today also working at hybrid level. It is your choice to appear by video call or video access or any Zoom application or anything, or you can appear personally there. So it expedite the matter, it expedite the work, and the early justice will be given.
Okay, amazing. Really nice to hear that. My next question for you, Ms. Tana, would be like, how would you rate the current legal system drive towards encouraging access to justice? Like, is there a tangible movement in closing the justice gap?
Yes, there are very much important changes accepted by the justice system. There they are, first of all, that technology it is involved, that they are working by the several technical apps like mobile phone, like uh, all the devices, the all the apps for Zoom meeting and all these things. The
Mhm.
second thing is that they are in form of towards the settlement and faster justice. So there are so many mediation centers are created by approved by the government. There are pre-litigation mediation is also there. The counselor are also there in all the courts, and they are helping in the fastest justice and fastest expediting the matters.
Okay, amazing. So nice to hear that. Now, talking about technology, since we all know that technology is evolving now, and in this era of legal technology, what are the most commonly used tools that are available for you?
See, the first basic is the mobile. Mobile nowadays is, yeah, it is on fingertip everything. All the apps like Zoom and all the video calls and everything, it's by mobile or other technology. And these are the most common tool used by the legal services in the court.
Amazing. I
We
would
can,
like to agree with me on this.
we can send a email to court also. We can send an email to parties and take confirmation, and PDF and everything is nowadays accepted by the court. So it will be very easy and fast growth of the legal system.
Well, amazing. I would definitely agree with you on this point that technology is evolving a lot in these days, and definitely technology is helping everything, and especially legal. Talking about legal fraternity. So now, Ms. Tana, the also one more thing that I really want to know is that we all of us believe in this fact that time is money, right? And especially in the profession like legal, we understand that legal uses most of all, right? Especially the lawyers like you. So just wanted to know about your thoughts that how do you ensure to make the best of your time as a lawyer?
Yeah, first of all, I'm giving services that online or offline consultation, which will save everybody's time, and advocates need not wait for client and client need not wait for the advocate. Then all the stuff will be send it, all the documents will be send it for approval to the client or email. So immediately we can save the time for convincing the client, or client will come to the office and read it. The third thing is that we always update ourselves, my staff, and we always discuss about the legal issues wherever it comes and overcome immediately. And in a group discussion, we will find out the solution, and we will put everything on the best level. The second thing is that we divide the work. So I try, and my own staff, they try to take matter on a day in one court, so we will save our time in running around the other courts. At least not in a one court, it is in same building where the other courts are there.
Well, absolutely, ma'am. I would really like to thank you so much for sharing your great insight with us. This was an amazing session. Well, we look more forward to having a chat with you again in future on some other trending topics that we have in the international legal fraternity. But for our viewers here, if you like this chat, I would request you to please like and share this video, and also subscribe to ClickAway Creators YouTube channel to appreciate that what we do. And you have more coming from these great industry leaders. This is Krish for Let's Talk World signing off.